Frog Prince. Once a princess was playing with a golden ball near a spring. Accidentally, the ball fell into the spring. The princess began to cry and said, "Alas, I could only get my ball again. I would give all my fine clothes and jewels to the one who brings my ball back." Suddenly, a frog appeared in front of her and said, "I'll get it back for you, only if you let me live and eat with you and sleep on your bed." The princess reluctantly agreed with him. The frog asked the princess, "Tell me where your ball fell into the spring." She showed the location, pointing with her finger. The frog took a dive into the spring to get the ball back. He came back with the ball. The princess was very happy to see her ball. The frog gave it to the princess. Having taken her ball, the princess ran back, forgetting the frog. The frog ran after her and said, "Take me with you, as agreed." The princess did not keep her word and came to her palace. Next day, when she went to the spring, she found the frog there. The frog again told her pleadingly, "Please take me with you. You should not forget your promise." But again, the princess refused to take him with her. The princess told all the story to her father. Her father said, "How can a frog live with you in this magnificent palace? You did right by not taking him with you." At night, when the princess was taking her dinner, she heard a strange voice coming from the staircase. And soon the frog came to her and began to eat the food from her plate. After some time, when she went to her bed, she found the frog already lying on her bed. He slept with her for 3 nights. Though the princess was very fed up with him, yet she had to bear with him. When the princess woke up next morning, she threw the sleeping frog off the bed. The frog transformed into a handsome prince the moment it fell down on the floor. Now I wish you should come with me into my father's kingdom, where I'll marry you and love you as long as I live. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.